Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. In this video class, I am going to teach you about next topic, parse tree. Parse tree. Okay, so last video class I taught you what is context-free grammar in Unit 3, what is context-free grammar and what is derivation and what types of derivation, that is LMD, leftmost derivation, and RMD, that is rightmost derivation, and we derived a few problems. And now parse tree. Okay, so parse tree is otherwise called as derivation tree. We can say it is a derivation tree, right? Derivation tree. Why we are studying this parse tree is next semester we are going to study compiler design. So you know, in a lab exercise you may study about some programming exercises like C++, CPP and Java. These are the language you studied in some lab exercise. There we have editor. Okay, so in that editor you will type some programming language, and then when you compile, if there is error, it shows error. How it is showing error is using compiler design software that tells this is an error, like that. Okay, so now for that purpose we are studying this types of concepts to develop that compiler design programming languages. Okay, so for that we studied the next topic is parse tree. Clear? Parse tree or derivation tree. Suppose they will ask construct the derivation tree for the grammar. So you know this is the grammar. E tends to E plus E star E, E tends to open brace E tends to ID. This is the grammar. And they are asking to derive ID plus ID star ID. Right? So what I am going to do is now ID plus ID star ID. So expanding the derivation of, the definition of derivation is expanding the start symbol. So E is a start symbol. So for E we have 1 production, 2 production, 3 production, 4 production. So E ID plus ID I need. So I cannot take E star E first. Okay, so first I will take E plus E. E plus E. Okay, then for this variable I am going to apply ID. No problem. ID plus E. So for this variable, I got ID plus. Again I have ID star ID. So for this variable I am going to apply this production. So ID is there, plus is there. For this I am going to apply E star E. Okay, so I got ID plus. For this E I am going to apply this production. So ID. So this if you have any doubt, you just see last video class. Okay, so ID plus ID star. For this E I am going to apply this ID. So ID. So now I got the derivation ID plus ID star ID from this grammar. From this grammar I got the derivation. But this is the last class I taught you what is derivation. This is a derivation. Now the thing is we have to construct a parse tree. So we need to draw a tree for this. Okay. So first see what is E tends to E plus E. So I am going to draw a tree. Tree means root node. E tends to E star E. So you have to draw one variable and E plus E. So one variable, this is a symbol, and again E. So listen carefully. E tends to E plus E. In a derivation tree I draw E tends to E plus E. Okay. So again what I did is I applied E tends to ID. Okay, but see in this E I applied this production, E tends to ID. Which variable? This variable I applied ID. So I have to draw like ID. Clear? Right. Then what I did is I for this E I applied E star E. So for this E I applied E and star and E. Okay, E star E. And now for this E I applied ID. So for this E I applied ID. Now see, for this E I applied ID. For this E I applied ID. Okay, so this is called parse tree or derivation tree. You have to construct a tree like this. We have one small rules and theorems that I was given in your note. So please go through this concept with that notes. Okay, right. So see, finally this is the string. Finally I got ID plus ID star ID. Okay, so finally I got, see, ID plus ID star ID. So this string I derived from this derivation through this past tree. Clear? So this is a concept of the past tree. So I have given more exercise in your notes. So like this you want to derive a past tree. So this is called yielding a past tree. See, this tree yield a terminal string. This is string id plus id star id. Okay, this is called yielding a past tree also. So suppose they will ask construct derive this derivation and yield a past tree, like that they ask. So you have to derive this and then past tree. So the thing is, if you want to construct past tree, first you have to do a derivation. That is the concept, you should be clear. Okay, hope you will understand. So I have given more problem like this. You just go through your third unit notes. Okay, thank you.